So, you've heard of Acorn, the streaming service that's been making waves in the entertainment world. Maybe you've seen it advertised, or perhaps a friend has recommended it. But before you dive in and start binge watching your favorite shows, you might be wondering, is Acorn safe and legit? Hook. Let's be honest, in today's digital age, it's easy to feel a bit skeptical about online services. We've all heard horror stories about data breaches, scams, and hidden fees. So, is Acorn one of those services that promises the moon but delivers nothing but disappointment? Building context. To answer that question, let's take a closer look at what Acorn is all about. It's essentially a streaming platform that specializes in British and international TV shows. Think of it as your go-to destination for classic British dramas, mysteries, and comedies. But is it worth your hard-earned money? Safety concerns. One of the biggest concerns people have when signing up for online services is their personal information. So, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Acorn safe when it comes to protecting your data? Well, based on what we know, Acorn has a solid reputation for data security. They use industry-standard encryption to protect your personal information, and they have a clear privacy policy that outlines how they collect and use your data. Legality and licensing. Another important factor to consider is the legality of Acorn. Can you trust that the content you're watching is licensed and legal? Absolutely. Acorn has partnerships with major studios and production companies, ensuring that all the content on their platform is legitimate and authorized. User experience and value. Of course, safety and legality are just part of the equation. What really matters is whether Acorn is worth your time and money. Let's talk about the user experience. The Acorn app and website are generally well-designed and easy to navigate. You can search for shows by genre, actor, or title, and the platform offers a variety of viewing options, including HD streaming and offline downloads. As for value, Acorn offers a competitive pricing model. While it may not be as cheap as some free streaming services, it provides a curated selection of high-quality content that you won't find anywhere else. And if you're a fan of British TV, Acorn is definitely worth considering. Addressing common concerns. Now, let's address some of the most common concerns people have about Acorn. One question that often comes up is whether the service has a wide enough variety of content. While Acorn may not have the same vast library as some of the bigger streaming giants, it offers a deep catalog of British and international shows that cater to a wide range of tastes. Another concern is the availability of new content. Acorn regularly adds new shows and seasons to its library, so there's always something fresh to watch. And if you're a fan of classic shows, Acorn has a treasure trove of timeless British dramas and comedies. Conclusion. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, is Acorn safe and legit? Based on what we've discussed, the answer is yes. Acorn is a reputable streaming service that prioritizes data security, offers legal and licensed content, and provides a great user experience. If you're a fan of British and international TV, Acorn is definitely worth checking out. With its diverse selection of shows, competitive pricing, and commitment to quality, it's a great option for anyone looking to expand their viewing horizons. Call to action. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the Acorn website or app and start exploring their vast library of shows. You might just discover your new favorite series. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.